Here the question is to define adsorption isotherm, and we need to give the empirical relationship between the quantity of gas adsorbed by the unit mass of a solid adsorbent at a particular temperature. An isotherm is a curve that represents the relationship between the quantity of a substance adsorbed by a solid adsorbent and its concentration in the gas or liquid phase at constant temperature. In adsorption process, it describes how the adsorption of a gas or solute onto a solid adsorbent changes with pressure or concentration, given that the temperature remains constant. And the empirical relationship is x by m, that is equal to Kp raised to 1 by n. And this is known as Freundlich isotherm. Here x by m is the amount of adsorbate per unit mass of the adsorbent. K is an empirical constant indicating the adsorption capacity. P is the pressure of the adsorbate, and n is an empirical constant related to the adsorption intensity. In the old question, we need to define the shape selective catalysis, and we need to name the process by which alcohols convert directly into gasoline and give a variety of hydrocarbons. Shape selective catalysis is a concept where the structure of a catalyst allows it to selectively catalyze the reactions involving molecules of specific shapes or sizes. This is a key feature in catalysis that enables high specificity and efficiency in chemical reactions. And the process by which alcohols convert directly into gasoline and give a variety of hydrocarbon is catalytic dehydration. This is a chemical process where the water is removed from a compound, typically an alcohol, to form an alkene or other unsaturated compound. This reaction is facilitated by a catalyst which speeds up the process and often increases the yield and selectivity of the desired product. In alcohol dehydration, we can convert the alcohol into alkene. For example, ethanol can be dehydrated to ethene. This involves the formation of a carbocation intermediate which then loses a water molecule to produce the alkene molecule.